on the second part of it says course videos. When I click on that, like the first topic, it
Can you
says
share
like
your screen?
video.
Can you share your screen? Because
I have to do it on my laptop then. One second. I'm going to hang up and dial back in on my laptop. I'll be right back.
okay.
Hi.
Hello.
I'm sorry, I put it on mute. I'm great. How are you?
I am very fine, thank you.
Good. This is my first online course, so
We will have a conversation then. If you have any questions, you can ask them now.
okay, perfect. While we wait, I will do that.
Yeah.
So
Aja is
oh,
back. Let's listen to her.
yeah, I see her. She's back. Okay.
Okay. Can I call you Aja
Asia,
or Asia? Okay.
yes.
Which module are we talking about here?
I'm going to show you right now. So, like, I'm in Bright Spaces, that's what we use. But
Okay.
under course framework, I'm not sure if anyone else has mentioned this to you yet. Um, when
Okay.
I
Course
try to click on
framework.
the
Okay.
videos,
All
I'm
right.
gonna go in and I'm about to share my screen. I'm just getting everything ready. One sec.
Course video. Okay, but you don't need to go to course framework to see the videos.
I don't know what I don't know what videos are here to see if I saw them somewhere else. You understand what I'm saying?
I hear
Because
what you're saying. I hear what you're
okay,
saying. Because I'm pulling it up here through that, but you don't need to go there. If you um if you go to the content and um you see the week one, module one.
yes, I see videos for topic one.
Yeah,
And
okay.
when you click on a link
Just
for that,
go to week one linear
I'm gonna
functions
share
or
my
go to week
screen.
one, module one, or week one and module two, you will see the videos automatically.
One second. Yeah, I can see the videos, but I can see where it says videos, but when I click on the videos to view them, I can't. Excuse me. It
Let
shows
me
like
see.
it might have been posted on Blackboard before. So nothing's coming up there. And it just like it'll have it even has my profile, like it'll have my name there, but I don't see any of the videos there.
Asia, I
Let,
don't
Um,
let,
I don't know if it helps or not, but just as another student, I can see them.
okay,
I
one
can
sec.
play them. I can play them and everything. So I don't
Under where it says the course framework area,
no,
or are
both.
no,
you
I
no,
looking at
no,
it somewhere else?
no.
both
There's somewhere else. I
as you
provided
took.
the link to the weeks and modules.
Yeah.
Let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you.
Okay.
I tried both ways, Asia. I followed the first way that you went and I could see
Hmm.
them. But the way the
You
professor, I think, is about to show you is the way that I went to them yesterday and I just did it again and I still see them there. So I can see it
wait.
both ways.
Sorry, Laura. You
Do
could or
you
could
see?
not. Oh,
Do
you
you see
can see them
weekly
both
tasks?
ways.
Yeah.
Do you see weekly tasks?
Yes.
Okay. You go down and you see videos.
Yes. I saw those. Yes.
And if you click on them under weekly tasks, you won't have an issue. You shouldn't have an issue. Try it.
Okay. Yeah, I already started looking at some of the videos that way, but I can't see it under the syllabus course info way when it's in this
No,
little
no,
course
no, you will
framework
not.
folder thing.
You
Okay, so
will
that
not.
makes sense. Perfect. Thank you so much, both of you, for your help. Because
All
I
right.
wasn't sure if it was the same videos that was there that's featured in that folder, and I didn't want to miss out on
It's the same
anything.
videos.
Okay. Okay. Perfect. That's all I had a question about. And our first assignment is due before midnight, correct?
Yes.
Okay, great. Thank you both for your help. I really appreciate it.
We are glad that you came and you asked questions, and other students will be able to benefit from that. So, Laura, what were you saying?
Yeah, so my question, I'll share my screen if you don't mind.
Sure, go ahead.
Um, so, well, first of all, I did the quiz and the homework yesterday.
Okay.
And can you tell me how, like, I think I did it and I got the grades. I got multiple grades. I took it a few times, but is there an easy way so that I can like double check I didn't miss anything or I submitted it correctly? Like, because even in whether I go to my email and I look, it still says that I have homework due today and a quiz due today. Or is there an easy way for me to see what's done and not done
If you go in the grade book, you will see what you did and what you didn't do.
in here? Okay.
But I mean, all you have to do is to respond to the emails I sent, the announcements. Okay.
Are you saying here is where I should see it? Oh, yeah. Okay. So here's the first homework. Can you see my screen, Professor?
You see your screen.
Okay. So homework, drop, drop. This is the one we're
Because you
keeping.
did this 10 over 10.
Say that again?
You scored 10 out of 10 here.
Yeah, so I'm good there, right? It's
Yeah.
completed. If is
Mhm.
okay.
I mean,
And
when it
then
says drop, it doesn't mean that you dropped it. It just means that yeah, it looks like you are attempting this. So you should just go by because I think you have more than one attempt for each quiz
yep.
or homework.
Okay, so as long as there's a grade here, then that means I have it completed.
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, perfect. So that's good. I didn't know. Again, this is my first time taking a
Okay.
class. So
All right.
I hadn't even looked at grades yet. I didn't realize. Okay, and then my second question is, so when I go, right, hold on. This is not the right space. Okay. So I go down to, so I did what was due tonight, but I believe week one, module two now is due like tomorrow or something.
No, it's due on the second after the
Yeah,
weekend.
so okay, so that's the problem. So let me show you what I'm seeing. If I could figure out how to get there, give me a second. That here. Okay. Um, Where's like the main screen where I can see, is it course home?
Yes.
Okay, this is where I want to be. Okay, so when I scroll down here
Okay.
to work due, see it has due the 30th and due the
May
30th.
30? Uh, no, something is wrong there.
Because I did see somewhere else, to your point, the second, and that's what, and I can't remember where now, but I did see something due, and I thought it was the second. Today I logged on just to double check, make sure I had
That
everything,
is
and I'm like,
very
wait a minute.
strange. That is very, very strange. Should be due June 2, so I'm going to go change it.
Okay.
Okay. Again, thanks for bringing that up.
Oh, of course.
You can see a quiz here is due June 2. Homework here due June 2 starts May 30. But quiz 2,
Yeah, and this says
uh,
topic eight. That's another thing. Like it went from topic one to topic eight, and I just
no,
thought
no, no,
maybe,
no, 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 no. Nice to meet you guys. That's a big error. I'm going to go and change it. Topic 8 is all the way down.
okay. Okay.
Okay. No. Um,
Okay, so
the
ignore topic eight.
homework topic number 2, that's what you should be looking at, is due June 2.
Okay, I just
Um,
wasn't sure if maybe you changed the order and I don't know. Okay,
no,
good.
no,
So
no, no,
go
no.
to the topics
That's
should be in order
okay.
the way they're numbered. And
Yeah,
then just,
this is a
okay,
programming issue. I have no control over that.
okay,
What you should focus on is whatever I announce.
okay,
Whatever I announce, that is what you should focus on.
Okay. And now, I guess if we talk about that, your last email. I don't, was the last email only what's due today?
The last email was the assignment that's due on June 2.
It was, okay.
Yes. And of course, the other one is the announcement of the office hour.
Okay. Okay, now I can't find it, but I know I saw it. Okay, yeah, maybe that's just what confused me. I saw something due tomorrow, like I said. Okay.
You focus on whatever I announce.
Okay.
And my announcement says June 2.
Okay.
Sorry, I
Well,
just came in, but I think I know what Laura's talking about because that's why I joined to bring it up.
yeah.
Yeah, that's an error there. I'm going to go and change it.
Oh, okay. Okay, that was my thing, the homework 8 due tomorrow. But
No. Don't look at that. Look at what any announcement I send. I will announce the due date. That way, you should follow that.
okay. Okay, sounds good. Okay, bye
And now
guys.
that you brought up the issue, I will also indicate the week and the module number because each week has module 1 and module 2. Meanwhile, I provide a link to it. That way, you should just follow the link. Do not go. That's a programming issue where they put things in order. Nevertheless, I'm going to go to that module and change the date. That's totally just out of whack. I don't know why I put that there. Had to be a typo.
Okay.
Okay. Sounds good. Thanks, Professor.
And then my other question was, do we need a graphing calculator for this course?
Do you need one? It's up to you, but a graphing calculator will be useful. If you know, it will be very useful.
Okay. Well, when I did the homework and the quiz, there was no indication that I needed it, so I didn't have one. And there was like a question where you needed it.
Things like that are voluntary.
Okay.
Oh, I cannot tell you that you need them. I can recommend them. I say they will come in handy for you, but I cannot legally say you must have it.
Well, when I say need, I guess, like I said, one of the quiz questions I actually needed it in order to complete it. It said, use your
And
calculator.
let's do it quickly and do it efficiently.
Okay, but you could do it without it, is what you're
You
saying.
do without it, yeah.
Okay, okay. And then my next question, is, again, this is my first class, so I just want to make sure I'm not cheating in any regard because it felt a little weird yesterday being able to take the quiz over and over again. So the homework, I get it. Like I could easily check it, get something wrong, and I guess go look into how to do it correctly and whatever. But to make it a point not to cheat per se on the quiz yesterday, like when I looked into, like I wouldn't know the topic, I didn't know the topic. So I got one wrong or two wrong on the quiz. And then I purposefully didn't use that exact equation. But I said, like, if there's a scenario like this, like, how would I do that? And then I got the answer and I knew how to do it. I retook the quiz and I guess applied the concept, if you will, to try to get it right. Is that like I guess because it's a quiz, but it's kind of open book, like what are the expectations on me taking a quiz, not getting 100%, knowing exactly what the question is, where a lot of them are just repeated, and going and looking into it and then coming right back and now getting 100? Is that acceptable? Like, is that the expectation?
Yes, it's a quiz, and the purpose of quiz is to practice and to learn. This is why we allow you to take it as many times as possible, because the whole idea of a quiz is not to test you, it's to provide you an opportunity for practice.
Okay, perfect. Okay, I just wanted to make sure. Okay. I think that's it. Oh, I guess, and one more thing is, let me just see where I was at with the week 2 then. I'm going to skip 8 and go to 2. Yeah, let me share my screen for one more minute and then I
Go
think I'll
ahead.
be done. So when I was, okay, so when I'm here,
Huh?
I have the linear function,
Mhm.
and with that, there was on here yesterday, but maybe it's because it's done. I did the quiz and the homework. Now when I come and I go to week 2 to get ready to do that, I see the homework and the quiz, but I don't see the the topic,
Well,
like
this
the
says topic 2 and graphs and behavior of graphs.
oh, it's not, this isn't just the homework. Because you see how this has like week 1, it's not homework or quiz, but this one says topic homework topic 2, quiz topic 2. I thought there would just be like a,
Okay, I see what you're saying. I mean, that was probably an inconsistency in the sense, I shouldn't have put that week 1 there.
okay. So how do I get to like the videos and the content and stuff like I did for the week 1 here? Because that's where I went to figure out what to do. I went
Okay.
to work needed and I went to week 1. Where do I find the stuff for week 2?
Uh, it, no, no, not for week 2 because we're not in week 2 yet. We're in week 1, module 2.
Okay, gotcha. Yes, so week 1, module 2, where do I find the content for that?
If you go to week 1, let me, okay, share your screen so I can share my own.
You want to share yours?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. I see here. I'm gonna bring it up soon.
Okay.
It's week 1. Which screen?
Oh, I believe I found it on the left side,
Okay.
in the table of contents there.
Yeah, under the table of contents, you will see it.
Okay, yep, that's what I just clicked. Okay, that makes sense. I'll just use that side if anything, and that goes in order.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. And then week 2, module 1, 2, week 3, module 1, 2. Okay, perfect. And then I'm sorry, I do have one more. The
Go ahead.
discussions.
Go ahead. It's all for you.
So discussions, for the extra credit and whatnot.
Discussions are not graded.
Do I just go to the discussions like tab at the
Actually,
top?
there are no discussions.
Oh, there are no. So what's with the extra credit where you can ask a question or answer a question? Where do you do that?
I'm going to disable that. There's no extra credit in my class. That
Oh,
was
okay.
something that was done by the developer somewhere along
Oh,
the line.
okay. Okay. Is the rest of the syllabus correct as far as like the quiz, like how much the quizzes are worth and the homework and the
Yes,
tests and
yes, yes.
whatnot? Okay.
Mhm.
Just not the extra credit piece. Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, then that is all that I have.
All right. Nice having you around. Enjoy your
Thank you.
evening. Okay
Thanks for
then.
your time. You too. Bye-bye.
Sure. Bye. Hey, baby girl, you all right? Okay.